Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the color of the address bar in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. We first need to open our Chrome browser. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on it under the best match, maximize it. Now, I have just changed the color of the address bar. So as you can see, this is not the default color. But in order to change the default color, then we just need to simply look right here at the bottom right corner. And you will find the option Customize Chrome. Click on that. And here you will find different colors that you can choose from. You have here the orange, citron, apricot, rose, and the current one that I'm using, violet. You also have here fuchsia and then pink. So it's up to you. You just need to simply choose from here. Click on the color. And as you can see, the address bar will also change its color. You also have here to customize or to color or to pick the color that is not available from here. You can simply click on that and then you just need to simply, okay? But if you like to have these colors from here, available colors, then just simply click any of that. And then close this, and that's it. That's how you can easily change the color of the address bar in Google Chrome. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.